Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Chic Beauty Box for November and December. This is so generously gifted from Chic Beauty Box for review purposes. I'm also going to put a discount code right here for you guys. It's not affiliated, it is not my code, it's just a generic code that you can save some money. If you're unfamiliar with the Chic Beauty Box, this is a $34.99 bi-monthly makeup only subscription. That is the best thing about Chic Beauty Box. And you can also go in and customize. I'll pop some information right here. So we're gonna dive in. There was something else in the package that I'm extremely excited about. So excited that I even was excited to my son about it. So I'll show you that last because it was outside of the box. So we do have our little card. I'm gonna cover the back of this card so I do not know what is in here. And first thing right on top, oh, that is so beautiful, is the CoverGirl True Blend Super Stunner Hyper Glow highlighter in the shade Pearl Crush. And I have noticed that oftentimes with the Chic Beauty Box, it is more like new releases. They also work with a lot of indie brands, which y'all know, that has my heart and soul. So very, very excited to have this box. Next up is this beautiful, it looks like a contour brush, Luxe Performance brush from Bare Minerals. Next up is another product from Bare Minerals. It is their Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick in the shade Wisdom, which looks like a deep kind of fuchsia plum shade. And then last in my little box is the Gavisi, hopefully I'm saying that right, Beauty, or Javisi Beauty, the Retro Liner. That looks so cool. Let's check it out and see what the shade is. Oh, it's antique gold. I may actually use this. You guys know I am a sucker for like greens and golds, so I'm super duper excited about that. And then last but not least is a newer release and something I've been on the fence about and something that I was going to purchase myself. Look what is in the freaking November December box, you guys. This is the Ace Beauty Palettopoly game and palette. It's meant to be more like a retro like card game, and then it has a palette in it as well. I do want to open this up really quickly and just show you guys. So here's the inside of the box. Everything's packaged beautifully, and it says Palettopoly, bringing the fun back into makeup, ages beauty for all. Contains 24 color palette, 24 cards, a notepad, instructions, and some pencils. This is so cool. It's giving me Saved by the Bell vibes, and I'm not mad at that at all. So cute, you guys. So freaking cute. Here's the palette. And then here are our little cards. And then we have some mini pencils that are pink. And if you're new here, pink and yellow are my favorite colors, so I'm loving that. And our cards. I will quickly show you what the palette looks like as well. I really love Ace Beauty. Everything I've ever tried from them, I've genuinely loved. So I'm excited to see this in here, and I'm excited to see a new launch in the box as well. And for $34.99, I'm almost positive, I'll read our deets, but I'm almost positive that is like the price of the palette. So winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, those metallics look absolutely stunning. I love the color story of this. I think it's so, so pretty. If you guys would like to see a look with the palette, please comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, and I will definitely come back and do a full look with this palette. Do you see some of these metallics in here? I'm so excited. Y'all, when the box came, I ran into my son's room and I was like, son, I got a Chic Beauty Box and this is in here and I'm excited about it. So here is our informational card and all of our deets. All right, our Ace Beauty Cosmetics, the Palettopoly eyeshadow palette and game is $49. That is well worth the price of admission already. We could have also gotten the Cab Cosmetics Day and Night eyeshadow palette for $52. Our Bare Minerals Luxe Performance brush is a retail value of $32. The Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick is $22. We could have gotten a NARS Cosmetics Precision Lip Liner for $24. We could have gotten a Revlon double-sided facial cleansing brush for $16.79. That's an odd number. We could have gotten, or we did get, the Chic Beauty, the retro liners for $12. There was also a NYX Cosmetics high definition blush for $9.99, and then the CoverGirl highlighter that we got, the Super Stunner Hyper Glow highlighter, is $7. I think I want to test a couple things really quickly. Not the palette, unfortunately. I already have makeup on my face. I am using the Nomad Air palette. This has been loved and abused and used, and I love it. It is literally my go-to for if I just need a quick little something something. I love it so much. But I can try this and take my lip oil off, and we'll try this out, and then maybe I can swatch some colors in the palette for you guys. And if you don't want to stick around for that part, at least you get an idea of what Chic Beauty Box is all about. Again, I love the preface of, first and foremost, I love that they are a bi-monthly subscription. I feel like, truthfully, I think every subscription box should switch over to bi-monthly, solely because it gives us as the consumer the opportunity to use things up, skincare, makeup, etc., and really get an idea of how much we love things. Not that I mind the other subscription boxes that I get, but I do get overwhelmed, and I feel like, especially with skincare, you don't have time to test things out. You don't have time to, you know, use things up before the next box comes. But let me get off my soapbox. Anyways, this again is in the shade Pearl Crush. Oh my goodness. That is stunning. Oh my. Now, if this is smooth on my skin, I'm gonna love it. I have very dry textured skin. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna pick up a little bit. It almost has like a creamy texture to it. That is lovely. I'm really scared, y'all. Okay, subtle. I did already have makeup on, so I don't know if that's kind of affecting it any. Alright, it's there. It's pretty. And I feel like it can be built up as well. Oh, I love the color. That is beautiful. Yeah, that's really pretty. A little bit more subtle than I kind of anticipated it being. Stunning though. Okay, I like that. I think I'll continue to use this. I do want to try this out if I think it's a shade that I would use, but looking at the unit carton, I'm not quite so sure. Yeah, I don't know that I would use that, and you guys know I try not to be wasteful. Yeah, I wouldn't use this, and you guys know I don't like to waste products, so I'll put this to the side and we'll do it for a giveaway or something like that down the line. I do want to do some swatches though. Let's swatch the pink rose, since, you know, the pink vibes, the pink in the room and all that kind of stuff. These feel incredibly smooth already and look intense. That is Vogue, Walkman, Neon. Wow, these feel very soft. And Fashion. Wow. Oh, I'm excited to use this, you guys. Whoa. And I like how Fashion is like hot pink, but there's a purple like hue to it. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I'm excited. I'm very excited to try this out. Awesome, you guys. Look, I said this in the last unboxing that it was a 5 out of 5. I feel like it's a 5 out of 5 here too. This brush is not like a shape I would typically use, so I will most likely put both of these into a giveaway. The liner though, I think will be super beautiful. Maybe I can come back and do a look. You guys pick what shades or something you want me to use, and we'll try the gold liner and stuff. But I'm so excited. As soon as I saw like that there was something else in the bag, I honestly thought it was a Black Friday purchase coming in the mail, and I was like, this feels weird. This doesn't feel like anything that I ordered. And then I saw the Chic Beauty Box, and then I saw something else in there like big, and I was like, what the heck is this? And I'm telling you, since it came out, I was like, man, I really want this so bad. This almost reminds me, like, even in texture, the way that like the few metallics, you know, that I did swatch, the way that these look, it really reminds me of like a glam light type of palette. And I really love their formula, and I love the Ace Beauty formula. Like acid wash. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Yeah, I'm excited. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you've tried the Chic Beauty Box in the past. Again, I would have popped a discount code up for you guys. That's not my code. There's no affiliation or anything like that. They just sent it to me for free for a review. But yeah, 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. I felt the same way with the last box too. This is a banger, especially if you're somebody that you really, really have a heavy preference for makeup leaning boxes versus skincare. This is the one for you. If you're looking for a mix of the two, then I say, like, you know, IPSY or BoxyCharm. If you're looking for something that is well-rounded in the spectrum of hair, makeup, pets, lifestyle, kitchen, you know, things like that, then FabFitFun. If you're looking for heavy skincare, then Allure Beauty Box is the way to go. So yeah, that is it for today. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I appreciate you so much. Let's have a conversation down below. Let me know what you thought. Do you want to see a look with this palette? Because I'm excited to use the palette. Let me know. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.